In this video, we're going to go over how to set up the entire contents of the Creator Network VidKit. First, let's grab the three-legged stand. Pull out each tripod leg until fully extended. Make sure to have enough room for the stand on your desk or wherever this will be set up. Next, grab the adjustable magic arm. Unscrew the knob on the side to fully extend it. The bottom end will screw into the three-legged stand, and the top part will be for the ring light. Carefully screw the bottom onto the stand. Now we have the tripod for the ring light and the camera. Next up is the 10-inch ring light, which will screw onto the top of the tripod stand. It's a good idea to hold the cord while screwing them together to make sure it doesn't get all bunched up. Now that the ring light and stand is set up, we're going to go over the camera setup. As you can see, I have left the ring light a little tilted. This is for the camera screen that we will get to momentarily. Now, take the modified ball head. One end of the ball head screws onto the ring light, and the camera will screw into the top of it. I have also left it a little tilted so the camera will have enough room for the screen to open. Next, grab the Canon M50 camera. As you can see, there's a hole at the bottom that will screw onto the top of the modified ball head. You can adjust the modified ball head with the screw on the side of it to better fit the camera and the ring light. This is what the back of the ring light will look like. The screen here can be pulled out and flipped around so that you can see yourself when looking at the camera for easier adjustments. Next, let's go into plugging in the cords. The first cord we will go through is the micro USB cord. Pull this side slot out on the camera. The cord will plug into this top one right here. The micro end will plug into the side of the camera here. The other end, which is the USB, is going to plug into that Sabrent 4-port USB hub that comes in the kit. Make sure, when assembling, that the LED button is pressed down on the hub to make sure power is going to that slot. The next cord is the DC drive cable that will provide power to the camera. This cable plugs directly into the dummy battery that is already installed in your camera. It's on the bottom part of the camera here, and the flap will be left open so you can see it easier. Plug the smaller end into the hole, and take the USB end and plug it directly into that Sabrent hub as well. You'll also want to plug the USB from the ring light into the hub. The Sabrent hub will all plug into your computer. This is what the final setup will look like with all of the cords. As you can see, there's a cord on the side to provide feed from your camera to your computer, and the cord on the bottom to power the camera. To take the lens cap off, press down on both sides and gently pull off. And finally, if you haven't already watched the Blue Yeti microphone video, we can go over it quickly. You can take the USB mini cord and plug it directly into the bottom of the mic, and the USB end can go into the hub or directly into your computer. It's a plug-and-play unit, so all you have to do is plug it in and you're ready to go. And that's everything for this setup video. Thanks for watching, we hope you enjoyed.